Imagine if the next time you were faced with a huge obstacle, confronted with incredible adversity, or thrown into an impossible situation, you were filled with hope instead of dread. Hope for the invaluable insights yet to come. Hope that in the future something good will come from the situation. Imagine if, when the storms of life come rolling in, you stood boldly, feet firmly planted in the ground, joy spreading across your face, arms lifted towards the sky. Imagine if you were so filled with hope that given any situation, you were always able to welcome the rain. I can wholeheartedly say that this approach to life has made me a significantly happier, healthier, and more peaceful and joyful person because I believe in this concept so much. Please learn to welcome the rain. Then you will enjoy the rainbow.